Hey guys, thanks for checking out my video. My name is Diane Brame. I'm the owner of DB Media Creative Solutions, and we are bringing you everything from consultation to content creation. All right, I want to go ahead and hop into this logo revamp that I did because we know that branding is everything, especially in the digital age. You want it to be something clean, crisp, but fun and exciting, still get your point across and show your individuality, as well. So having all that in the back of our minds, let's hop into this logo. So this is for a small business called Thick Fit and Glitz. It's a female owned and operated kind of like fitness business, but she does things like, she'll have particular things. Like if it's like a melt belt that's not in a particular size, some of us have more to love, and that's fine. So all of that going into the theme of this, I did like certain elements here. She has like the barbell, for the fitness part. Thick is just kind of like big in your face, and you'll see from her picture and, just some of the clientele she's trying to reach, some women, they are just very curvy, and they'll be healthy, but they just have a lot of curves going on. So, the typical leggings might not fit them, or, they might not feel as confident, getting in the gym and things like that. So her whole branding is just about like self-appreciation and, loving the body that you're in, working towards the goals that you want to reach, and, being cute and fabulous along the way. And when she explained that to me, I said, that's great. So I got where she was going with the logo, and she's very girly, so she has like kind of like circles here on the glitz. So like I said, this is the original logo. And she said, this is, years old. I'm about to come out with a new revamp. It's been about 4 years. I'm rebranding and I want to start with my logo. I said, that's a great idea. So what I did was, by the way, I'm using Photoshop. I use Photoshop to edit all of my graphics, Adobe Photoshop. Okay. So we have the original logo here. So one thing that she did mention was that she wanted to be in the logo, like the brand is her baby, she feels like it's herself. So she had sent me a couple images of herself, and this is one picture that she did during a photo shoot, and I said, you know what, okay, I think I can do something with this. So what I did was I cut it out and I altered her body a little bit. As you can see here, I popped that up. So this brighter part that pops up in front, it's the same picture from this photo shoot, but all I did was kind of like fill in some things. I had her arm was up, I put it down, things like that. So I did, I manipulated the image as far as getting her into the proper positioning that I would need for the logo design that I had in mind. This right here is this is the black and white version of it, but this is the weight. And the weights were just literally, I took 2 circles and I put some strokes on them. I put a thicker stroke on the outside part of the weight and then a smaller stroke on the inside. So keeping all this in mind, we move on over to the finished product, and this is her finished product. So this is literally that silhouette that you just saw there, and then I had the weight. I went ahead and made it gray with a lighter gray inside, because most weights, when you have dumbbells and things like that, it's like a gray metal, that silver metal color. So I wanted it to look kind of on brand with that, like how she had the barbells in her original logo. So we have that going on here. I kept the thick, and that I tried to stick with the same color scheme that she had, because she was really adamant about having the light, fun, flirty colors, things like that. But I figured it would be cool if she was the eye, because it's her brand. Like, this is my business, if I was speaking as her. So I am Thick Fit and Glitz. I'm the one that makes this. I embody this, right? So she literally is the eye and fit. So we just had that come down, and then we have Glitz. For this, I actually took some images of glitter. I took an image of glitter, and I picked up the font that she liked. She settled on that. So all I did was cut that out and, graphically alter this, give it a little bevel, shadow, things like that, so that it can have more of a 3D feel, but it's literally glitter on the glitz. So yeah, that's that. So that was a quick overview of this revamp of this logo. If you're interested in rebranding your business or any of the other services that we do offer, please, please, please reach out and we will get going and get you on the journey to your best business self. All right. Thanks for watching.